Kajabi in 2025 continues to stand out as one of the top all-in-one platform for online course creators, coaches, and digital entrepreneurs. It combines website building, course hosting, email marketing, automation, sales funnel, membership sites, and even podcast hosting into a single unified platform. All of Kajabi's biggest strength is its polished, beginner-friendly interface that allows users to build and manage an entire digital business without needing to piece together multiple tools or platforms. The platform also includes powerful features like customizable landing page, pre-built tunnels like call pipelines, robust email automations, and built-in analytics to track sales, engagement, and customer behavior. These features are designed to save time, reduce tech overwhelm, and make scaling a business smoother. Additionally, Kajabi offers reliable performance and excellent customer support, including live chat, helpful documentation, and active user community. However, Kajabi isn't without its downside. The most significant con is its price. Plans start at around $149 per month and can reach up to $399 per month for advanced feature with no free plan available, only a 14-day free trial. This makes it a steep investment for beginners or those just testing out their business idea. While the platform offers sleek templates, design flexibility can feel somewhat limited unless you're comfortable using custom code. Also, while Kajabi is great for courses and coaching, it may not be the best fit for creators who primarily sell physical products or want a more traditional e-commerce setup. In comparison, platforms like Teachable, Podia, or System.io, which offer more affordable or even free plans, Kajabi is better suited for established entrepreneurs with a clear business model or an existing audience. Overall, Kajabi is absolutely worth it in 2025 if you're serious about building and scaling a professional online business and want an all-in-one solution that can grow with you. For those who are just starting out or on a tighter budget, more affordable option may be a smarter place to begin.